Temple name called Hoysaleshwara. So this temple built in 12th century in 1121 AD means Garasau Ikkis. This temple built by one of the minister of the Hoysala dynasty, that minister name called Ketu Malla. See, the minister was a great devotee of Lord Shiva, and he wanted to show his love and affections towards king and queen. That's why here built two Shiva temples. In the name of the king, name called Vaisaleshwara, in the name of the queen called Shantaleshwara. This is for the kings, that is for the queens. This temple took 190 years, 190 years to construct, build, but still it is incomplete. See, work is half done, adhuri hai. Because this temple work was going on, this temple was attacked by the Delhi Sultans. They came from Delhi. By names Alauddin is the chief commander Malik Kafur, that in 1310 and 1326 AD, 2 times. So they destroyed everything, the palace, the city, and they damaged the temple also. See, carvings also. After the destruction, this place called Hale Bidu. What it means? It means ruined city, destroyed city. Old settlement means Tuta Puta Gaon. But before it was called Dwara Samudra. Dwara Samudra was wealthy capital city of Hoysala dynasty. And it means Dwara means entrance, Samudra means ocean. Because outside we have the lake. When that lake fills with water that looks like an ocean, that is from the entrance of the city. That is where before it was called Dwara Samudra. And the materials they used to construct this temple is soapstone, Naram Pattar. It is very, very soft like a soap when it is in the earth, and exposure to the atmosphere it became hard. That is where they used to chisel and they carve. Naram Pattar se pura mandir bana diya. Please.
मलिक कपूर तो मुझे पता है.
These two are the Dwarapalakas, guardians of Shiva, names Nandikeshwara and Brungikeshwara. Nandi Brungi. She is a fan bearer called Chamara Dharini. See, she is holding a chamari. She is wearing a necklace. It looks like a only one, but there are two necklaces. See the details. There, light passing between the two necklaces. There are separate necklaces. Big and दो नेकलेस के बीच गैप बना दिए. देखिए ये भी एक ही पत्थर में बना दिया, सिंगल स्टोन. See the ornaments inside hollow, the flower creepers design inside hollow. See, whole thing with a single stone, Ekashila, single stone. These are all the human skull, demon skull, Runda Mala, which represent creation and destruction. That inside full of all. देखिए पूरा अंदर hollow. See, whole thing but of a single stone, very, very richly, beautifully ornaments. But the hands are damaged by the invaders. See, this temple was attacked by the Delhi Sultans. That when inside work was going on, inside the temple work is going. That is why this temple inside work is after. This temple more beautiful, more wall carvings in house. Okay? मंदिर बाहर बहुत खूबसूरत है, बाहर ज़्यादा carvings है. उसका मंत्री चीफ मलिका. Like this temple has 4 entrances. इस तरफ इस मंदिर को 4 entrance है. ये south entrance, दक्षिण दिशा का द्वारा. And it was the royal entrance for the royal family. Because here too, half kilometer we have the palace, but their palace completely destroyed. There we have only foundation of the palace. Before that, the royal family they come into the temples. That time they used to worship Ganesha first. There we have the Ganesha statue. That is emblem of the Hoysala dynasty. He killing a lion. इसको कहते हैं Hoysala. It means Hoy means kill or hit. Sthala means name of the founder called Hoysala. Hoysala is a dynasty name. They ruled Karnataka 10th to middle of 14th century, and they contributed 92 temples all over Karnataka. Hoysalas. Here we have again doorkeepers, Dwarapalaka. The hands are damaged by the invaders, and the Department of Archaeology made the holes to try to fix the new hands, but it is couldn't succeed because of this old thing made of a single stone, Ekashiva, monolithic. This is called Makara Torana. See center Shiva dancing, बीच में शिव जी dance कर रहा है. Right to show we have Brahma Deva, left to show Vishnu. Both the side we have mythical animal. इसको कहते हैं मकारा. ये 7 प्राणियों का अंग जोड़न करके बना दिया. इसको कहते हैं मकर. देखिए pig body, lion legs, legs like a lion, mouth like a crocodile, trunk like an elephant, eyes like a monkey, ear like a cow, tail like a peacock. इसको कहते हैं मकर. 7 प्राणियों का अंग जोड़न बना के बना दिया. The whole thing made of a single stone. एक शिवा. पूरा मिला के इसको कहते हैं मकर तोरण. और भी कौन सा? We have Ganesha dancing on his vehicle rat, Moshika Vahana. Because of more weight of Ganesha, the rat is struggling. Mouth is open like a screaming, crying, neck is bent and earth is depressed. ज़्यादा वजन से कैसे होता है ना, वो शिल्पी ने इसे पत्थर में दिखा दिया. माउथ भी ओपन है, लेग भी बेंट है, अर्थ भी डिप्रेस, पृथ्वी नीचे दब गए. That is sculpture imagination. Ganesha is a big, rat is poor animal, small animal. ये गणेश का सहोदर कार्तिकेय स्कंद मुर्गन on his vehicle Pika. These two are the Shiva and Parvati. This is called Uma Maheshwara. See, when Parvati she is calm and cool, when she is called Uma Ume, then vehicle will be Mangus, means Neula. शांता रूप में पार्वती देवी को वाहन है नेवला, और पार्वती देवी रौद्र रूप से कहते हैं दुर्गा काली माता. उस समय में उसको वाहन होता है शेर, लायन. So she got 2 vehicles, one is lion, one is mongoose. When she is angry that time, इसलिए शांत रूप है ना, इसलिए इधर नेवला बना दिया. रौद्र रूप से उसका वाहन देख सकता है शेर, लायन. Yes, starting with our trinities, Brahma the creator, Shiva the destroyer, Vishnu the protector. Normally, we have Vishnu in the middle, but Shiva in the middle, because of this is Shiva temple. That is why they give more importance for Shiva. Shiva holding the rosary, Japamala, Damarga, usually is broken, Karn, Buddha. Brahma 4 face, Japamala, Vishnu, Gada, Padma, Shankha, Chakra. ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, शिव. इसको इंग्लिश में कहते हैं गॉड, जीओडी. इसको मीनिंग बोलता है जी मीन्स जनरेटर, वो ब्रह्म. वो मीन्स ऑपरेटर, वो विष्णु. डी मीन्स डिस्ट्रॉय, शिव. सृष्टि, स्थिति, लय. Arjuna shoot the fish's eyes and he look at the reflection in the oil pond. Their arrow is damaged. Read for Arjuna monkey fly. इसको कहते हैं द्रौपदी स्वयंवर. ये तो गोवर्धन गिरिधारी कृष्ण. Krishna lifted, entered Govardhana mountain because of heavy rain. See, the peoples and cows found shelter under the mountain. In the mountain we are full of lives. Find the extreme top, there we have the banana tree. See, bunch of bananas there. Monkeys climb the tree to eat banana. Cat has catch a rat. Man climbing the mountain. Lion looking outside the cave. देखिए शेर बाहर देख रहे हैं. वो tiger going through the cave. See the backside of the tiger, 2 legs and the tiger. Entering the peak. Peacocks, lizards, snakes are coming. वो पहाड़ में क्या क्या रहता है वो पूरा बना दिया. Banana tree, banana, monkey, cat, man, ऐसे पूरा दिखा दिया. इसको कहते हैं गोवर्धन गिरिधारी कृष्ण. This is Shiva dancing inside the body of the elephant, stomach of the elephant. यहाँ पे शिव जी ने हाथी का पेट का अंदर डांस कर रहा है. देखिए ऊपर दो पाव टेल है, नीचे दो पाव सिर है. ये देखिए पेट है, हाथी का पेट. This is story a demon by name Gajasura who comes in the form of an elephant to kill Shiva, but Shiva killing him by dancing inside the body of the elephant. Shiva is holding two upper legs and she is stretching beyond its limitation. Due to wetness, you find the left thumbnail of Shiva that long throws the bent towards this. देखिए शिव जी का नखून है ना, वो चंदा निकाल के बाहर आ दे रही, वो भी पत्थर में बहुत खूबसूरत से बना दे रही है. इसको कहता है गजचर्मांबर धारी शिव. गजर मतलब हाथी, चर्मा मीन्स स्किन, धारी मीन्स वेयरिंग, अंबर मीन्स स्काई. कहता है गजचर्मांबर धारी शिव. Vishnu came as a Varaha and he protecting Gadasartha of Bhudevi and killing the demon by name Hiranyaksha. So by crushing his head, due to pleasure see the eyeballs that are buzzing or coming. This Rakshasa he comes to help him. See Vishnu pierces with his gada, see the tip of the gada coming out with interest. देखिए आंतड़ी भी बाहर निकल दिया, वो आंतड़ी भी दिखा दिया. ये विष्णु जी का तीसरा अवतार, इसको कहते हैं वराह, वाइड. ये विष्णु का चारवा अवतार, इसको कहते हैं नरसिंह. Face like a lion, body like a man, killing the demon by name Hiranyakashipu. While killing him, this Rakshasa he comes to help him. So Vishnu became very very angry and he held the skin of the demon like this, beat up, removed like a mask. See both the eyeballs are sticking to the skin. देखिए, only skull remaining. Prahlada and Kaido asking excuse. इसको कहते हैं उग्र नरसिंह. This is Mahishasura Mardini, a demon by name Mahishasura, who comes in the form of a buffalo. See Parvati crushing body of the demon. Due to pleasure, see the tongue has come out, see the eyeballs look like a burning. See the wrinkles on the neck. When she is angry, then vehicle will be lion. इसको कहता है Mahishasura Mardini. Now we can see the two temples very clearly and on a single platform. So that is for the queens, this is for the kings. If you look at the temple from the top, look like a star shape. So the whole temple they used to build like a star, and all around the temple we have 64 corners. इस तरफ 64 कोना है मंदिर में. इसको कहते हैं नक्षत्राकार, स्टार जैसे बना. This is completely story of Bhakta Prahalada. This is Hiranyakashipu. He was rival of Vishnu. His son Prahalada was great devotee of Lord Vishnu. That is why he was trying to kill his son with the soldiers, with the snakes, with elephants. And here he put on a fire, Agni. Then Holika she get burned. Holika Dahan ho raha hai. And he dropped it from the hill, but he never died meditating. Ultimately, his father asked him to show your Vishnu in the palace pillar. Then he kicked the palace pillar. Then Vishnu appeared and killing the demon Hiranyakashipu. So this is completely story of Bhakta Prahalada. A very corner we have the magicians. You see the top of the magician. There we have the flower paper. See that inside full of follow. It looked like a paper design cuttings, but nowadays we cannot do it paper also. This whole thing but of a single stone, Ekashiva. A Lakshmi dancing and 3/4 of lotus. Actually, Lakshmi never dances. You can see the Lakshmi like in sitting position and giving a boon. Or you identify Lakshmi with Amruta Kalash. We called Jala Kanya, Samudra Kanya. A war between Arjuna and Karna. See, Arjuna shoot the arrows that get multiply, look like a chain system 1 into 2, 24. Or you identify Arjuna with monkey flag, Anuma Janda, Karna with crow flag, war between Karan and Arjuna. Here Ganesha dancing on the lotus flower. While dancing, see both the bells of Ganesha that are swinging. See the chain even more beautiful than iron chain. She is Kali, Durga, Mata. See the eyeballs look like a burning. See the Runda Mala. Both the sides, see the skeleton, see the ribs, which represent female power we called Shakti. This is fifth incarnation of Vishnu. This is called Vamana. Vishnu, he came as a Vamana dwarf, and he asking for the 3 feet of land, 3 steps land from the demon by name Bali. Bottom his teacher Shukracharya is saying, you don't give. See, after getting the gift Vishnu, he grows cosmic, very taller. We called Trivikrama. So next story here, Trivikrama Roop. Then Vishnu, he measured entered earth as 1 foot. First steps Prithvi, second steps into the heavens, sky, where you can see Brahmadev doing Pada Puja, see the water down like a river. In the river you find fishes, tortoise and water wells. See, this is Garuda, vehicle of Vishnu. So third foot is not shown. Third foot is placed the demon head and he crushed him to underneath the Patal. Nowadays our people used to worship festival Bali Patimi, Bali Pratipada in Kerala Onam during Diwali, Deepavali. Vishnu का पांचवा अवतार वामन है. देखिए इसको कहते हैं श्री कृष्ण पारिजाता अपहरण. This is Krishna and Satyabhama on his vehicle Garuda. This is the plant Parijata with the flower. This is Indra and his wife Indrani on his vehicle elephant called Hairavata. This is story Krishna he has stolen that plant Parijata with the flowers from Indra's garden to Satyabhama. That is where Indra chasing. You see the what a beautiful running movements of the elephants. The ears are fluttering. Tail has gone up. See the second rider, she has bounced up. See, she is not on the elephant, she is in the hair. She is asking her husband, make slow, it goes slowly. So this is the plant Parijata with the flower. So this is called Sri Krishna Parijata Apaharana, stolen. And look at this man, look like an Egyptian, an European barrister, but he is an Indian monk we called Dharmadhikari. He looked like a British judges also. But British came to be India after 16th century, but this temple built in 12th century, much before. Even today they use dresses like big curly hairstyle and double collar, long open coat. It means the British judges might have copied from India. That bending up, see the skin wrinkles. See the facial expression of Lady, the eyebrows are gone up because she is very proud of her beauty. And you can see the arrogance even in the eyes because she is not only a beautiful and also very good dancer. So remember the carver who was called this one was not only a carver and also very good dancer, otherwise he could not carve like this, very difficult. This is the Lord Vishnu, main deity of Velu temple. Like this in Velu 9 feet, this is 3 feet, this is called Channa Keshava. Channa means handsome, Kesha means Vishnu. Chadan, Vali, Samhar. Rama giving the ring Hanuman to identify Sita in Ashokavana. These are all the monkeys from the Ramayana story. This is nude of Shiva. This is the paint, the red paint still remaining. Before the whole temple, they painted with the terracotta due to weather. It has the last paint. These are all the erosion due to weather. लाल कलर उस जमाने पेंट किया था, वो जमाने का पेंट है. ये प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए उस जमाने सिर्फ पेंट किया था. But you see the bottom there, a monkey come and pulling a sari, pulling up, they doing monkey business. And she is break the bunch of the tree to beat your monkey. When doing, see the details gap between the heel and slipper. See, she is raising the foot like this to reach up. See the details in the heel, slipper, ankles, bracelet. See the sari border, embroidering design also.
ये तो नटर ये तो देखा हुआ कुछ फोटो में शिवा पार्वती
अपना शिव जी और पार्वती. So this is so this is sequence from Mahabharata. This is called Chakra Vyuh or Padma Vyuh, made by the Dronacharya. See, this is very difficult to go inside and come back. but only a 3 men knew how to go inside and come back by name Dronacharya, Sri Krishna and Arjuna. Arjuna's son by name Abhimanyu did not know how to come back. In only after how to go inside. That is why here he was caught and killed by the Kauravas when he entered into the Chakra view. And also called Dronacharya Kumbhodbhava. Or you identify Dronacharya with Kumbha Dvaja, pot flag. This is called Chakra view or Padma view. Is a Bhima, very very strong man among the Pandavas. He is equal to 1000 elephant strength, like a Superman, He-Man, Hercules. The battlefield elephants are Bhima marching. Here, Bhima with his mace, Gada, killing each elephant and throwing back. Killing and tossing, killing and tossing. You find heap of the dead elephant that touching towards sky level up to clouds. See that riders, they between the dead elephants hanging. See what a beautiful sculpture imagine. See the binocular telescope that invented by the Galileo in 17th century. But our people used it in 12th century. See, it might not be a binocular, it may be a piece of bamboo, and they try to concentrate on a particular spot, something like that. See the arrows, you find the indented look like a rockets, missile, chippanis, these are all the arrows. See the straws for drinking coconut and also drinking Coca-Cola, Pepsi, something. So we had concepts of everything. History is repeated again. See, this is Lakshmi and Vishnu, one of the most beautiful statue of this temple. Or you identify Lakshmi with Amrita Kalash, Vishnu with Padma, Chakra, Shankha, Gada. See the beautiful ornaments were more finer than golden ornaments we called Lakshmi Narayan. Ravana is a king of Sri Lanka, enemy of Ramayana. He got 10 head and 20 arms, and he lifted entire Kailash mountain. See, top of the Kailash mountain, middle Shiva and Parvati, both the side the Lakshmi and Vishnu. So this whole thing made of a single stone. Ravanaswara lifted the Kailash Parvati. This is Shiva and Parvati sitting on a Nandi. Look at the Nandi face, look like angry. The eyebrows are burning, leg is bent and tail has gone up. Because Nandi is only for Shiva, not for Parvati. Because of Parvati sitting, because of double riding, it is very angry. Here Ganesha dancing of 8 hands we called Ashtapuja Natya Ganesha. While dancing, see the both the bells of Ganesha there are swinging. You see the holy threads, Janivar, 3 folds. It means Ganesha is not married. After getting married, it will be double 3 and 3, 6 folds. So among the 18 Puranas, that is 17 Puranas say Ganesha is not married. But only one Purana we call the Shiva Purana. It's a Ganesha is married and he got to 2 wives. He called Riddhi Siddhi and also called Ganesha, Riddhi Vinayaka, Siddhi Vinayaka. Again with our Trinity is Brahma the creator, Shiva the destroyer, Vishnu the protector. Saraswati, goddess of education, Nagaraja, king of Cobra, Shiva again, last Lakshmi or Vaishnavi Devi. So we have beautiful panel view together. This is again Mahishasura Mardini. Look at this lady Apsara. Her hairdo is thrice bigger than her face. It looks like a snake. We called Nagamudi, Nagachede. And also it's called Ajanta hairstyle. See the 12th century soldiers, warriors, they used to wear helmets. It looked like an American astronaut. It gives we called Shirastran. Look at this man, look like a Sikh, very turban and long beard called Sardarji. See Ganesha have the trunk on the left side. This is very very calm and cool. There you can see the Ganesha, you have the trunk on the right side. This is very very unusual and auspicious Ganesha. But our people do not worship this Ganesha in their houses, because if you want to worship this Ganesha in their houses, you should be mentally, physically clean always. Should to take 3 times bath every day and you have to please him. Otherwise this Ganesha very very angry and curses you. But this Ganesha trunk of left side can excuse small mistakes. That Ganesha is very strict. There is no excuse at all. The trunk on the left and the right called Urdhva Sund Ganesh. The holy threads here, Janiva 3 and 3, 6, what it means Ganesha is married. Called Dwara Samudra. That is from the entrance of the city, and also that lake look like a ocean, Samudra. That is museum, the rescued statues been to kept there. That is closed at 5 o'clock. Museum. So this is east part of the temple, east side of the temple. So here we have 11 panels, 11 lines. First line we have elephants. See, there are 1,248 elephants all around the temples, but no two are similar. None of them alike. See, the elephants stand for stability, strength. Lions for courage. Flower creepers represent beauty. Horses for speed. Shakti, Dairya, Alankara, Uveg. This line, Ramayana, Mahabharata story. This is Samudra Manthan. Rakshasas this side, Devatas that side. They used Mandara mountain as a churning rod, Vasaki serpent as a churning rope. When they are churning, because of no support the mountain that started sinking into the ocean, then Vishnu took the big tortoise called Kurma Avatar. Then she lifted entire mountain up and they ultimately got Amruta. This is Makara. सात प्राणक अंगल जोड़न करके बना दिया ना. Big body, lion legs, crocodile's mouth, elephant trunk, monkey eyes, cow ears, peacock tail. Swan bird, vehicle of Brahma. Dancing figures and magicians. 10th line we have guardians of the temple called Kshetra Palakas. Last line we have erotics from the Kama Sutra. And at the top we have ventilation for good light and wind. Ventilation. These are all the guardians of 8 direction. This is called Ashta Dikpalakas. Indra, god of heaven, on his vehicle Hairavata. Agni on his vehicle lamb. Yama, god of death, on his vehicle e-buffalo. Nairuti, god of monsoon, on his vehicle man. Varuna, god of water, rain god, on his vehicle Makara. Vayu, god of air, wind, on his vehicle deer. Kubera, god of wealth, money, on his vehicle horse. Isha, god of agriculture, on his vehicle bull. Ashta Dikpalakas, guardians of 8 directions. See, here we have 2 Shiva temple on a single platform. That is outside we have 2 Nandi, vehicle of Shiva. One here, one more is there that side. So that is the 6th largest in India. This is the 7th largest in India, biggest height and sizes. First one is at Lepakshi temple in Andhra Pradesh. Second one is Brudeshwar temple in Tamil Nadu, Tanjavur. Third one is a Chamundi in Mysore. Fourth one is Bull temple in Bangalore. Fifth one again Tamil Nadu in Rameshwaram. 6th and 7th are in Halebeedu. That is the 6th, this is the 7th. And this Nandi in decoration, beautification, this is ranked first in India. See the details, running blood veins, hidden nostrils, sharp eyes, alert hair, sharp arms, strong hump. See the hoof. See the tile between the 2 legs, it is natural sitting posture of the bull. See the ornaments, bell, jingling, rope and flower garlands. See the skin folding on the neck. It has 8 feet, that has 9 feet. वो 9 फुट लंबा है, ये 8 फुट लंबा है. दोनों एक एक पत्थर में बना दिया.
So massive यार.
सर ये जो पत्थर है इसके बारे में एक बार बताइए कैसे बना रहे हैं लाइक मशीन टेक्नॉलॉजी कैसे यूज किया रहे हैं खुशाली हे जे दगड आहेत ना हे कसं बनवलेलं आहे त्यांनी कार्विंग कसं केलेलं आहे
You might have seen the pottery wheel. They use the big wheel, then they brought a stone, put a stone vertically on the wheel. Then they spin the stone like with help of elephants, because elephants are very strong, they need carve like chiseling. In the beginning, they used to have elephants. In the final stage, they used to have horses. Horses to get more speed, then finish like a country like that.
म्हणजे असं अडवं नाही केलेला.
In the name of the queen, there is a temple name called Shantaleshwara. Shantala, she was wife of king. Ishwara means Shiva's name. This is name called Shantaleshwara. This temple inside we have mainly three parts. Where we have Shiva in the form of a lingam, that part called Garbhaguni, Garbhagruham. Next room called Darshana Mantapa or Prarthana Mantapa. This is called Natya Mantapa, Navaranga, dancing platform. In South India, we had the system of temple dancing. The dancing girls and Devadasis before used to dancing here. In their memories, see the some of the dancing figures called Shila Balika. See, this is Vishnu, Ganesha, Karthikeya, Saraswati, Lakshmi. These are all the magicians.